Here's the winter storm of Augusta, February 2014. Go out here. Show you how deep. A lot winter. How you doing, YouTube? Alright, I'm outside here, and you probably won't be able to see it, but I'm going to try to get one of these trees falling. Man, they snapping and cracking, and they sound like snap, crackle, pop Rice Krispies out here. Let me turn my light out. That way our night vision can kick in and we can start seeing these trees up here falling. This thing can't pick anything up. Might be a bad idea. Let's see if we can get the sound of one falling. Well, we survived. Don't have many trees, tops left. But we survived overnight. That one fell down. That one, that fell out of there. Good thing they didn't sleep there last night like they wanted to. See what we got around the house here. It's gross. Well, let's go this way. It fell out of there. Well, I thought that one was going to go, but it didn't. See if I can walk under these things. There's where my truck was parked. I moved him back there. A big limb right there ready to fall. I was already fell and landed down. A busted headlight out of that one. Came out of there somewhere. You can still hear them snapping and popping everywhere. Look at there. I moved my little car over there. Nothing could reach it. So we got another limb broken there. Ready to fall. You can still hear these suckers cracking everywhere. Yeah. They got them all over the place. That thing made it. This whole yard's full. And cleanup begins. Oh well, guys. You getting on yourself, huh? On the platform?